Hi friends, welcome to the Moderrn learning. Today we are going to learn the difference between symposium, conference, seminar and workshop. So let's get started. Let's first find out what is symposium. In ancient Greece, the symposium was a part of a banquet that took place after the meal, when drinking for pleasure was accompanied by music, dancing, recitals or conversation. In modern usage, a symposium is a meeting at which a number of experts in a particular field discuss a particular subject. It can sometimes refer to an academic conference or even a university class that has an openly discursive form. A symposium generally involves multiple speakers and multiple speeches. Symposiums are usually completed within one day. Let's find out what is a conference. The first known use of conference appears in 1527, meaning a meeting of two or more persons for discussing matters of common concern. A conference is a formal meeting of people with shared interests involving discussion, problem solving, and consultation. Conferences tend to be more formal in nature and can last for several days. Let's find out what is a seminar. A seminar is a form of academic meeting. It can be held at an academic institution or offered by a professional or commercial organization. Seminars are generally recurring meetings that focus each time on specific subjects. Seminars are not as formal as symposiums and conferences and are conducted in one day. Let's check out what is a workshop. Workshop can be described as a meeting where a group of people learn about something through intensive discussions and activities related to it. Workshops may involve small or large group discussions, exercises and activities, and practical application of concepts learned. Workshops offer more practical activities than seminars, symposiums, and conferences. In workshops, participants usually involve fully in the learning process. Therefore, they include working, thinking, processing, doing, creating, and interacting. Workshops may involve small or large group discussions, exercises and activities, and practical application of concepts learned. Workshops offer more practical activities than seminars, symposiums, and conferences. Workshops can be one day or may continue for several days. Let's conclude our today's topic. Workshops are more practical in nature. Seminars are more academic in nature, while symposiums and conferences tend to be more formal in nature. So, this is the main difference between workshop, seminar, symposium, and conferences. So, friends, if you like the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!